So I'm going to be starting with my Clinique under eye reducer circles, puffiness, any like anti-coloring that you might have. So I'll put that underneath my eyes. Then for the face, I don't know where I left my Clinique moisturizer, so I'm going to be going with a Purity moisturizer. It's kind of the same thing, it's even the same color and everything. I feel like they have a battle between both, but they're both great and they work really good. I'll be using the Marabadescu lip balm because I feel like it just helps it like hydrate while you're doing like your full face of makeup. So for my primer, I'm going to be using the Cover FX primer, blurring primer. Don't forget that blurring. Going with my foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations from the Marc Jacobs, and I got this in the color 29 Bisque Golden. It just looks flawless once you contour and you highlight and everything. So yes, dip in my beauty blender. You already know I love using the beauty blender. I'm gonna be taking the Shape and Tape Tarte, but by Tarte, I'm sorry, in the color Light, and just highlight here, and with no extra product, just what the one has. I know a lot of people be like, oh, dude, that's a lot of product, but not really, because I just did it once. And then we blend it out with a beauty blender. I like a white under eye, very bright. It just makes me look more awake. And this is my little mirror. Hi, pineapple mirror. I feel like saying the Jeffree Star theme that he's like, hi, how are you? I need to invent one. I love it. I'm going to be taking the Cover FX translucent powder with my beauty blender. Okay, and then while that's setting, I'm going to be taking the Tarte also Shape Tape and the color Deep Sand. And very little goes a long way, guys, so don't put a lot. Just up to there, and maybe just 2 dots. And then bring it forward. Time for our brown. Anastasia pomade in the color medium brown with the 7B brush. Redirect it to the middle here, and I'm gonna take it all the way to the end. Going a very little product, you don't want to put too much. And then here I just took it up with the brush. I just turned it around with the tip and do very lightly strokes here upwards to create, like if I have little hairs here, to create that, because I do not have a lot. You guys can see right there. I'm going to be taking this concealer that I have from Anastasia in the color 1.0. With the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is like a gel form, and I'm just gonna comb them up and then outwards. You've seen me do this technique. It actually does work because it just makes it look more realistic. We're gonna be using, you already know, my shader palette from Benefit. And I'm gonna be going with Melba by MAC for a blush here. Blush. Using the James Cho's palette. I'm sure a lot of you girls have it already. And I'm going to be using also a combination of the Morphe 35B. The Morphe 35B palette. This is a color palette that they have in their website. Using all the palettes that have greens. Revolution. The color Halo. And then we're gonna add some translucent powder. The Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, and we're going to be using the color Inside Job, since that one is the darkest green. So this is the Morphe 514 brush, and it's more like a smaller tapered brush, and we're going to go with that Inside Job color. I'm gonna take this Anastasia brush. They came in with the palettes, the same, you know, it comes the same one. I'm gonna take this dual side here, and I'm gonna bring that green down. We're adding more of the Inside Job right here. Be taking this color here. It's like a skin kind of color. I don't know. So I'm gonna be going with the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Throne. MAC Nylon shadow. Urban Decay Heavy Metals, and this is in the color Distortion. So now we're going with the eyeliner. And you want to just do it most closely to your lash line. That way when we add our lashes, they will hide right in the eyeliner. That's a tip I tell everybody. And then so now we're just gonna take our favorite mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna be wearing these lashes. I love this style of lashes. So anyways, I'm gonna be using the Velour lash glue. Okay, so then we're gonna use back. this completes my final look. I forgot to set my face, but it all turned out good. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.